Hello guys, I'm making this quick video to show a small update that I added to my face and edge align Addon. It is this snap edges checkbox. So for doing that, first let's show the functionality with these two small objects, and then let's move to this bigger spaceship. Okay, so if we don't activate any of this, it will align two objects, but it won't take in count the orientation of any edge. So we can say, okay, face align this one to this one, and it is kind of rotated here. These edges are not parallel. If we activate this one and we align this face to this one, and this edge make it parallel to this edge, now it is perfectly aligned, but they are not snapped. So if we activate now snap edges and we say, okay, snap this face to this face and this edge to this edge, it now snap the edges, this face to this one, and snap this one to this one. This is how it works. So we can try now with this bigger object. We can add some small details. Okay, let's add here a box and let's edit it a little bit. Okay, move this here, and now let's face align this face to this one, and let's snap this edge to this one. This is how it is. Let's add another one. Let's snap this face to this one, and let's snap this edge to this edge. Okay,